This one's actually pretty freaky. This one used to freak me the fuck out when it was in my room.
Earwave,
When I
DSI.
got this and this was in my room, it scared the fuck out of me.
Whatever you do, don't panic.
Earwave. I put.
Are you retarded? What's for that great idea?
I put everything. I put random sounds in this DSI. And it's mostly earwave.
Am I on?
Earwave.
I hate these stupid people.
What's the great news? It's time for the
Random sounds
Cherry Blossom
from.
Festival again.
It's random sounds from, you know. It's random sounds from, you know, my YTPs and videos. And Jordan Hardy's videos. Yeah. It's really funny. It's really funny. That way. It's earwaved! It's. Yeah. But. Sorry for the lack of uploads. And I felt sorry for the lack of uploads for 6 days straight. For like 9 days straight. I mean 8 days straight. Sorry. Yeah, sorry for the lack of uploads for 8 days straight. Cause I have my stuff taken away. Cause I have my stuff taken away. Because I have my stuff taken away and stuff. For 2 weeks. 2.5 weeks. For 2.5 weeks. Yes, well, I only got one device back, which is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Yesterday, this phone is having. Oh my god.
Are you retarded?
It's having. You know, scam notifications telling that it's hacked and whatnot. Yeah, but let's just say it's problem solved. So yeah, just letting you guys know that I'm back. I'm back after 8 days straight. After 8 days of lack of after 8 days of lack of upload. 8 days for lack of uploads.